Good morning, Mr. Sato. Your bread smells wonderful.
Good morning, Miss Elena. Always fresh, just for you.
I'll take a loaf of your sourdough, please.
Excellent choice. It's still warm from the oven.
Perfect. And a couple of those almond croissants?
Coming right up. Anything else today?
No, thank you. That's all. Have a lovely day.
You too, Miss Elena. Enjoy your breakfast. Excuse me, could you help me?
Of course, sir. How can I assist you?
I'm looking for the Skyview Tower.
Ah, the Skyview Tower. It's quite easy to find.
Is it far from here?
Not at all. Go straight down this street,
Straight, okay.
then turn left at the large clock tower.
Left at the clock tower. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the view from up there.
Good afternoon, Mr. Finn.
Ah, Miss Lily. Good afternoon to you too. My pleasure. Did you enjoy it?
Very much. The story was captivating.
I thought you would like it. It's a classic.
Indeed. And the illustrations were stunning.
They truly are. The artist is a local talent.
How wonderful. I must look for more of their work.
I can give you a list if you like.
Such a beautiful day for a walk.
Indeed. The air is so fresh.
I love coming here every morning. It's so peaceful.
Me too. It clears my mind.
Have you seen any rare birds today?
Not yet, but I heard a spylark.
Ah, a lovely sound.
It truly is. Well, enjoy your walk.
You too. Have a good hike.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What a lovely spot.
It's my favorite place to read.
I can see why. So peaceful here.
The sound of the river is very soothing.
It truly is. Are you reading something interesting?
A tale of ancient heroes.
Sounds exciting. I might join you here tomorrow.
You're very welcome to.
Thank you. Enjoy your reading.
Mr. Han, how do you make your tomatoes so big?
Secret is, Sarah, talk to them.
Talk to them? Really?
Give them encouragement. And plenty of sun, of course.
My basil isn't growing well. What should I do?
Basil likes warmth. And a little singing, perhaps.
I'll try singing and more sun.
That's the spirit. A happy plant is a healthy plant.
Thank you for the tips, Mr. Han.
My pleasure, young gardener. Keep learning.